day I was praying for a chance. Today I'm standing here with it in my hands. Signed the papers, opened up the door. Now my mind is asking what I asked for. I come from a place where support is rare. Everybody's watching, few are really there. Easy to blame, easy to complain, but I chose responsibility over pain. I've been building brick by brick, step by step, day by day. Why am I afraid of tomorrow when I've come this far today? Why do doubts come knocking at my door when the blessings I've been praying for are here? Why do I fear there'll be no clients anymore when every season brought me through the years? I asked for this, now it's mine to carry. I asked for this, now it's mine to grow. No more looking back in fear, I'll keep moving forward slow. I asked for this, so I do doubt say no. Look at all the things I've already done. The battle survived, the victories won. A dream became a camera in my hand. A vision became a business plan. We live with love, we live in the now. Trust in every step somehow. Grateful for the road and where it leads. Planting faith and pulling out the weeds. Maybe doubts don't mean I'm weak. Maybe they're a sign I'm growing. Every new level feels uncertain, but the path ahead keeps showing. I believe enough to ask, I can believe enough to build. The same God that opened the door will help me see it fulfilled.